An affordability of kerosene, which is a very important of the people is that we have all suffered for the scarcity. Thank God for this government, which is about to have to deal with you because you belong to the family. It is a
leaders of ladies and gentlemen, to welcome you to this event, which for us is another fulfillment of our promise to make life more abundant for our people in Ekiti State. This time around, it is the resolve to bring the all-important consumer product, kerosene, to the reach of the common man that is at the back of this initiative. It is not only to make the product available, but also to make it affordable to all and sundry. Already, many of us know how expensive this product is. If you go to the normal access point filling stations. As you all know, majority of our people depend heavily on kerosene for their domestic use. The supply and availability of this very important commodity has remained inexplicably problematic over the years. This worrisome development has resulted in loss of many valuable man-hours and in many instances a recourse to adulterated and fake brands of the commodity, which has resulted in destruction of property and loss of precious lives across the country. The sight of the people on long and endless queues at filling stations dispensing the product, even at prices far higher than the recommended pump price, is common in all our localities and very undesirable in any decent society. Excessive profiteering by dealers who sell at exorbitant prices in the neighborhood further puts more burden on the populace, thereby putting more pressure on the little disposable income that our people have. The concept of Kero Direct is an initiative of the Federal Government of Nigeria, NNPC, and Capital Oil and Gas Industry Limited, aimed at getting kerosene to end users at the remotest places at affordable prices and with little or no stress on the part of the end users. The resolve of the Ekiti State government to buy into this project stems from our determination to ameliorate the suffering of our people, 80% of whom live in rural areas, in terms of availability and affordability of kerosene to both the urban and rural dwellers. This project, which is designed to make the product available across all the 16 local government areas of the state, is not a profit-making venture, but a masses-oriented program with numerous benefits for our people. The state has consequently committed substantial funds to the project to allow for better commitment to the success of this initiative. I'd like to clarify here that the product will be sold at all selling points at the recommended retail price of 50 naira per liter. To the populace, and on no account should anyone sell above the recommended retail price. And mark my words, on no account should anyone sell at any price above that 50 naira price. if you know of anyone, even if the person is a state official, either of the State Enterprise Development Agency or of any other section of the state government, all of you have my numbers. Send a text message to me. The person shall be dealt with. This project will be handled on behalf of the state government by the Ekiti Enterprise Development Agency in conjunction with the Governor's Office directly. I expect fairness and equity in the distribution of the products across the state to ensure that every prospective end user in the state benefit from it. And it will be available. You can see there are 3 trucks. One each is going to every senatorial district, and it will move around all the senatorial districts. This is not a partisan initiative. This kerosene is available just like our social security money for all citizens of Ekiti. Whether you are ACN or PDP or ABGA or Labour, this is for you. Because the philosophy of this great party of ours is to ensure that we give the greatest benefit to the greatest number of our people at the shortest possible time. So it is regardless of party affiliation, creed, or religion. May I, at this juncture, express my profound appreciation to the federal government and the NNPC for the privilege of being part of the beneficiaries of this project, and also to sincerely commend the effort and the support of Capital Oil and Gas Industry Limited, who are partnering with us in this project. I really must commend my brother, Dr. Effiang Yuba, because he had to fly in, not for anything else, but to be here today and jointly commission this initiative with us in Ekiti State. It is now my privilege to flag off this project to the glory of God and the benefit of the great people of Ekiti State. I welcome you all to Eyi Atokero. You are welcome.
Who has the mic? Mic! Microphone!
I, on behalf of the good people of Ekiti State and our partners, Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited, here represented by the MD CEO, Mr. Effiang Yuba, commission and declare upon the sale of Eyi Atokero to the glory of God and the benefit of Ekiti people. Thank you. God bless you.
You're not going to go and sell this outside. God bless you. Let's go back. Let's go back. Don't push my camera now. Bring it up. Bring it up. You don't share now. What you cover and don't bank on now? It's okay. Why they do like this? The professional job. We don't know. I'm not stop pushing me now.